How to add an employee. Click on the Add an Employee icon. This will take you into the Add an Employee screen. There are 5 tabs that need to be completed in order to add a new employee. Please click on all 5 tabs and make sure that you have all of the required information at hand before you begin capturing. The system will not allow you to continue without the mandatory information marked with the red star next to the field. You cannot save and continue later, and the system idle will reset after a period of time and will result in you having to start from the beginning. Let us start with the first tab. Personal details. Select the business unit by clicking on the company structure icon. A pop-up will open, displaying the company structure. Click on the plus signs to expand the view to include departments and branches. Select the appropriate business unit, department or branch pertaining to your organization by clicking on it. The pop-up will automatically close and populate the field. In order to select the supervisor, click on the arrow for the drop-down. A list of active employees will be displayed. You can either hover your mouse over the names and type the initial of the person, which will highlight the list of names beginning with that letter, or use the scroll bar to locate the supervisor. Select the name of the supervisor. The supervisor's name will be saved. To select an employee number, you can either type it into the free text field or click on the employee number selector. This will search for the next available employee number. Click Select to save the suggested employee number. To select a date, click on the calendar icon. The calendar will open. Select the month, then the year, and click on the date to close the calendar. Complete all of the free text fields and drop-down selections. To add a photo of the employee, click on the Change button. Click on the Browse button to search your computer for a picture to add for this employee in one of the formats listed above. Once you select the picture, give it a name by typing into the free text field and click on Upload. A preview of the picture will appear. Click on Finish to save it to the employee's profile. The window will automatically close. To go to the next tab, click on the name. Organizational. Complete all of the free text fields and drop-down selections as done on the previous page. The same also applies for your banking details. The SARS and tax details can be completed should you have the information, but is not required to continue adding an employee. Complete the contact and next of kin details on the contact details page. System settings. This page is where you select the viewing privileges of the employee you are capturing. This will determine what they are allowed to view or edit within the system. Complete the email address. Should the employee not have one, just enter an @ sign to continue. Once you are happy with all of the information you have entered for this employee, click Add. The system will do verifications and checks. First, the system will prompt you for any fields that are incomplete. Return to the respective page and complete the field. Then continue to add again. The system will do a validation on duplicate ID numbers and duplicate employee numbers. Go back and correct these details. Click on the Add again. The system will do another validation. Click on Add Employee. Your employee has now been added. The employee will now appear under the list of employees in the left-hand window once you search for them.